Hello students. Today we will start a new chapter, jugs and mugs. In this chapter you can see one story is here. That means this was in your math magic book of class 3. Nothing is there. One Bunny and Bunno were celebrating their wedding day. Do you remember that? Yes. Same thing only. So both were celebrating their wedding day. So they invited their friends. So many friends came, and for their friends they prepared some kheer. Kheer, you know what is it? Okay, pies and all you say. No, that is kheer. Something sweet. Okay, so they prepared for their friends. So all were coming. Some were running and coming. Some were hopping and coming. Why is it so? Because they all are animals, right? Frog will hop, some will run like that. So all their friends came and they started giving kheer. So elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. You know, elephant is very big, right? So he will be drinking more liters of kheer. Giraffe is drinking, you have to fill it. How much? You just guess and right. How much liters of kheer will giraffe drink? Same way cow also. Okay. Then came squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. Squirrel is small only, no? So he cannot drink 1 liter of milk. So he asked, please give me 500 milliliters. The doggy asked, 500 milliliters of kheer. Isn't that more than a liter? So he had a confusion whether it is more than a liter or less than a liter. So Fox said, Fox was there, he told something. Come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliters is half a liter. Is that correct? Correct only, right? Do you know the relationship between milliliter and liter? So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. This relation you have to study. Okay. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. This is very important. Okay. So what Fox said was correct only. Now comes the next one. Then comes frog. Frog hopped along with 9 other friends. So how many frogs are there? 10 frogs altogether. 10 frogs are there, right? He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat while serving the kheer. She took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliter each. How much is that? So again, donkey had a confusion about this milliliter. So Fox got one more chance to show off. So he told, what did he say? 10 times 100 milliliter, that is 10 glasses of 100 ml means what is it? 10 times 100 ml, that is 10 into 100 ml. What is 10 times 100? It is 1000 ml. 1000 ml means what is it? 1 liter. So that confusion is over, right? So you just write it in, fill this in your classwork, in your reader. Now look, a group of ants is marching here, the grasshopper said. So you can see group of ants are coming, so they were late, I think so, right? So the kheer is finished. Now what can we do? The cat said sadly. So don't worry, they won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. So one ant, because our ant means it's very small, right? So one ant will drink only 1 milliliter. Okay, 1 milliliter. That's all. I will share my kheer with them. Okay. Elephant said, and why the cat steers with his ear. How many are you all together? So elephant asked the ants, how many are there? So he told 1000 ants. How many ants are there? 1000 ants. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. Each ant drinks 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 ants means how many? 1000 into 1. What is 1000 into 1? 1000 into 1 is again 1000 ml. So it is 1 liter. So they will need the same as the 10 frogs. 10 frogs. How much does 10 frogs need? 10 frogs also 1 liter only, right? So same thing only. 1000 ants also 1 liter. Okay. So all the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. So that's it. Is that clear? The relationship between milliliter and liter. So this you just fill in your reader itself. No need of writing in your classwork. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? That's the question is to you. Do you like kheer or not? Yes, all most of them will be liking, right? So what do we call it at home? So what are, it will have different names at different places, right? So you just write what will you call it at home. How much kheer can you have? So can you drink 1 liter of kheer or 500 ml of kheer? So you just write how much kheer can you drink. Okay. So here you can see one girl is saying, I think I can drink 1 liter. That means 1 liter of water there. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Yes, she is telling, yes, I can drink 1 liter of water. One boy is saying, I can drink only 400 ml. Okay. So you just write how much liters of water can you drink. So donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. So I told you 1 liter means it is 1000 ml, right? So how many ways you can add 1000? How many ways you can add and bring 1000? So here I have given the answer for you. If you are adding 400 plus 300, so what is this? 600 plus 400 will give you 1000. 400 plus 300, 700. 700 plus 300. So 300 you can write. It is not 250. Okay, it is 300. 800 plus 200. So again 300 is here. Then what is it? 500 for 500. So all these ways you can throw. So here one mistake is here, that is in the reader is already 250 ml, right? So this 250 you cannot change. So here what all it should come, you just write 250 means you take 350. So 350 plus 250 is how much? 600. So 400 ml. So here it will be 350 ml. Okay, make it 350 ml. 350 ml. This one you can do in your reader itself. Okay. Now next one. Look at these pictures. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like these. Make your own list. So milk 500 ml. Milk packet will be written 100 ml, 500 ml. No? So you check some other juice bottles, juice packets will be there. In that measurements will be written. So you just write that. Okay. So this is your homework. You have to do by yourself. So here I have filled for you. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Thank you.